Right now, we're out here in Orlando. What type of monstrosity? All right, y'all, today we got Shake Shack. That Dubai chocolate milkshake. Let's see how this hitting. We gotta crack it. It's a little melted, so it ain't cracking no more, but hey.
Oh, that bubbly.
Get out and try this shit. This shit is gas. Look at that, guys. Oh, vacation for my birthday right now. We're out here in Orlando. What the fuck? That Shack sauce. Cheers. This shit going stupid. Look at that. Gonna dip it in that Shack sauce. We got that Smoke Shack right here. Oh. Chicken Shack right here, guys. Oh, Shack Ranch. Oh, yeah. Chicken sandwich is hitting crazy. Gotta do some crazy shit. Drop that chicken sandwich on there, and then throw that patty on the top. What type of monstrosity did we fucking create? Look at that bitch. Oh, I gotta stand up for this one, y'all. The Fat Baconator 3000 right here. Cheers. God damn. Shake Shack is the best fast food burger. Don't even at me.